Hi everyone, glad you dropped back in. This is Gaga Joy at Gaga Joy's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making like the second step of our leftovers, and this is going to be turkey salad. That's all you can call it, just plain old turkey salad. I do put mine in a blender and mix it up. And that's about right. I'm gonna give it one more. This is so good on sandwiches, crackers. One of them in there. I got one big piece. I'm gonna put it back in here with the second batch. I don't use this enough to hardly know how to use it anymore. We had such a big turkey this year. We had so many things left over. I've got making turkey broth now. This is turkey salad, and I'll share it with the children. We're doing the turkey breast now. And you don't have to separate them. I just had them separated because when we served them, not everybody likes turkey breast, not everybody likes dark meat. So I just separate them so that you could have what you wanted. Then we'll mix the white meat with the dark meat and still have, it's gonna make a whole lot, I know that. But we will use it. There's another little piece that didn't make it. Let's see if there's any more. No? Okay. This is actually batch 3, the second one of the white meat. I can't believe we had this much left over though, and everybody ate plenty. But it was a big turkey. Maybe it's bigger than we knew about. Okay. Okay, one more time. Well, you can see there's quite a bit of ground turkey here. Next we're going to be doing celery, and I do like to do my vegetables separately. They just taste better, I think. I wonder how many people when we were growing up, our favorite part of Thanksgiving was the turkey sandwiches the day after, and I don't know, I can remember that so plain. Okay, well, I'm doing a few red and orange peppers. They have that real sweet flavor to them. And with these, I'm also going to put the onion. And the last thing we're going to put in this one is the cranberries. It's just a bag of sweet, dried cranberries. That just gives it that good Thanksgiving cranberry taste. Now these are not near as fine as the other things are, which I wanted them so you could see the cranberries. For my seasoning, I'm just going to put a little bit of rosemary. Maybe a teaspoonful, that's enough. Rosemary's got a good flavor to it. A little bit of thyme. About a teaspoonful. And now I'm going to stir it up and put some mayonnaise in it. And then I'll fix it for the kids in a little individual. I'd say that's a good cut, but you'll have to sort of judge it yourself because everybody has a different amount of turkey. I was shocked that we had this much. And I'll taste it and see if we need salt. You know, we brine our turkeys in salt, so I don't think anybody needed to add any at the beginning. And now I'm going to add about a good tablespoon of mustard. Almost forgot my mustard. I think I'm going to change spoons. It'd be nice to have a sous chef, but when you don't, you have to clean up the mess yourself. Which is the worst part of cooking, I think, is cleaning up the mess. I saw a little cartoon today. It says, no matter how clean your kitchen is, you still have to always clean your kitchen every day, even if you don't even use it. And it's the truth. My kitchen will be clean when I go to bed, and then I'll get up and I'll think, gee, I think I'm going to do that today. So it's always something going on in your kitchen. Well, I'm going to put a little bit of lemon in it too. I just don't think you can go wrong when you add lemon to anything. Also, I have a few little pickles I chopped up that were left over, so I'm throwing those in. Why not? And then we're going to taste it and see if it needs anything. And I have a feeling it won't, but we'll give it a try. I'll do that a little bit better in a minute. Okay, let's give it a try. Well, it definitely does not need salt, and that would be the only thing that I would add to it. So it's seasoned just perfect. And you can see that we're going to have enough turkey salad for all three of my children, and me too, for the next couple of days. Well, you know, it's a good way to use your leftover turkey. Now remember, this is good for sandwiches with a little bit of lettuce, crackers. It's all kind. Use your imagination for everything. Well, it's been a wonderful week with Thanksgiving, and I'm glad you dropped in. And remember our blessings and remember our joys this week. We'll see you soon.